I welcome you to the lecture series on practical machine learning using Python. And our coming chapter will be going to deal with data feature selection. And today we will focus on importance of data feature selections. So first of all, you have to know what is feature. As per the different areas are concerned, we have different definitions for it. In character recognition, features may include histograms counting the number of black pixels along horizontal and vertical directions. I hope you already know what is histogram because in my previous one of my previous lectures I show you what is histogram and how to calculate it, how to draw it exactly. Okay, the number of internal holes, stroke detections and many others. Similarly, in speech recognitions, features for recognizing phonemes can include noise ratios, length of sounds, relative power, filter matches, and many others. Similarly, in spam detection algorithms, I hope you know that what is spam. Okay, so if you know, then do comment it. Then fuses may include the presence or absence of certain email headers, the email structures, the language, the frequency of specific terms, the grammatical correctness of the tags. And in our very own field, that is computer vision, there are a large number of possible features like edges, objects, okay, particular reasons. Those may be the features with respect to our computer vision, with respect to our image processing. Okay, so I hope you got what is feature. Now, what is feature selection? Feature selection is also known as variable selection or attribute selection. And if the definition is concerned, we can define it as feature selection is the automatic selection of attributes in your data, such as columns in tabular data, that are most relevant to the predictive modeling problem you are working on. Okay, I am defining it again. It is the automatic selection of attributes in your data, like your columns in tabular data, that are most relevant. You know that I am using the term most relevant, okay, to the predictive modeling problem you are working on. So, feature selection is the process of selecting a subset of relevant features for use in model construction. And this is very important definitions as per I know that this is the process, means feature selection is the process of selecting a subset of relevant features for use in model construction. Do mind the term subset. I'm using the term subset, okay? Then why feature selection? Why we have to conduct feature selection? There are four important reasons behind this, although many other reasons are there, but I am noting down four important ones. First one, feature selections enables the machine learning algorithm to train faster. If I am going to give you one just simple statement that if you feed less, then your output will be more efficient or more accurate. Okay, what I have said, if you feed less to your ML algorithm, feed less means obviously we are talking about input data. So, in any way, if you can extract on only on the relevant features and feed them to your machine learning algorithm, obviously it is going to train faster. So that's why the first reason why we have to conduct feature selection is that it enables the machine learning algorithm to train faster. Got it? As you know that when it is simple, obviously if we feed less data, less means only the relevant data, then obviously the complexity will be less. So it reduces the complexity of a model and makes it easier to interpret. Got it? So this is the second reason. Then, as I have already told you, that if you fit less to your ML algorithm, then accuracy and efficiency of that algorithm will be better. Okay, because if you fit some redundant data, then you cannot expect a good accuracy out of it. So third reason why feature selection is that it improves the accuracy of a model if the right subset is chosen. Got it? Then if you fit and more data means some extra data you are inputting to your ML algorithm, then there is a chance that branches will be increased. Okay, more redundantly increase. If we suppose I am concerning about the decision tree algorithm, then that is the case that where more number of redundant branches will occur, and it leads you to a problem that is known as overfitting. So if you fit less and if you fit only relevant data, there will be no such chances of getting overfitting. Okay, so the fourth reason for feature selection is that it reduces overfitting. Okay, so you got it. What is overfitting? So don't forget to comment that what do you understand by the term overfitting. Okay, so these are the four reasons why we have to employ feature selection before dealing with our machine learning algorithm. Got it? Now, questions for today's lecture. I'm coming to the questions for today's lecture. As you have got that what is feature and how in different areas it is related. Okay, then why we have to conduct feature selections. So coming to today's lecture's questions. First question is that what do you understand by the term feature in machine learning? Repeating it again, what do you understand by the term feature in machine learning algorithm? Second question is that why we need to do feature selection. Okay, so comment your answers and we'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.